I really don't know if I want to keep doing this challenge.
Hey guys, it's me, Issaplease, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. But if this isn't, then thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. If you haven't liked, subscribed, or commented, or hit the notification bell yet, make sure you do that so that I know that you exist. So Beyond Bayhana is a series that I decided to start as a follow-up video to the Bayhana series, which I hope that you all watch every Wednesday on Bay TV. So yes, I am the potato that is on that show. This is what I look like at 11 o'clock in the morning. So it is another week and I wanted to talk about the bra video. So in my last video, I did not wear a bra for an entire week, and it's been many weeks later, I think 2 weeks later, and I still haven't really been wearing a bra since. So there's a little bit of footage that I wanted you guys to see. I just don't want to become a target. I don't want people to see this video and to feel like this is an open invitation for you to harass me. And I'm actually realizing that this challenge isn't about me caring about my nipples, because I see a guy's nipple, I don't care. I don't want people to attack me. And at this point, the stakes are a lot higher, because if you're not listening to the radio in the mornings, then you wouldn't know. But it's out there. Ever since the show, everyone knows that I'm not wearing a bra. And it's not just scary for me, it is also really bothering my husband. So I really don't know if I want to keep doing this challenge, and it's still the second day and it's really frustrating me. So that footage never actually made the final cut for a multitude of reasons. I want to talk about it a little bit and why I was so affected. I am in the entertainment industry, and so my job is to put myself out there. But in that video, in the clip that you just saw, I was just extra sensitive. I don't know if I was PMSing or if I was just really afraid for my own welfare, but I also trip out a lot. So I guess that's where it was coming from, me just not feeling safe and me being afraid to be harassed and stuff. I felt like, oh shit, the whole world knows that I'm not wearing a bra, and so I just have to own it. As scary as it was in the beginning, it actually wasn't really a big deal. I think generally that the Cebuanos that I surround myself with are very open-minded. I have women coming up to me now and saying, Isa, I'm not wearing a bra. And that's something that I think is so empowering, and I'm so glad that women are coming up and telling me that they're not wearing bras. I've been wearing a bra like this, so it does have the underwire, and it's just soft. I have this bra, and I decided to stop wearing it because I have a really hard time breathing, and it's hard for my boobs to breathe as well. Bras like this don't really keep my shape, so I wear them depending on what I'm wearing. I don't want people to think that I am completely against bras altogether, because I'm not throwing my bras away. As per the situations, I don't know, because I don't really know when I feel like wearing a bra or when I don't feel like wearing a bra. So I'm just not gonna pinpoint certain occasions where I do intend to wear a bra. That's really up to me, because after all, it is my body. According to my research, if you start wearing a bra at an early age, like as soon as your breasts start to form and you start wearing a bra, then you're basically not training your breast muscles to become strong and to keep their elasticity. If you've been wearing a bra since the very beginning and you decide to not wear a bra, like let's say 10 years later, then your boobs will most likely sag faster, because you never trained your breast muscles to be strong and elastic. But if you've just not been wearing a bra since ever, then your breast muscles are probably a lot stronger and they will retain their perkiness and whatnot. So to answer your question, if breasts sag when you don't wear a bra, there's your answer. I've been thinking about it a lot. Would I eventually show my boobs? Will I eventually show my nipples? I don't want to just walk around and show off these very private parts of my body, because I do believe that this is for my husband and for my children. I mean, I'm not going to walk around with my breasts hanging out, but when I do eventually have children and I want to breastfeed, I do believe that I shouldn't be ashamed to show my breasts, because I need to feed my child. Because you know how some women have like that breast cover, what if my kid doesn't like it? So I'm not going to deprive my child of eating because I don't want to show people my breasts. That's the only occasion I think where I would be openly showing my breasts, but not just for like, oh hey guys, here are my boobs. Nothing like that. I don't know if I'm rambling or not, or if it makes sense. What I meant in the video by destigmatizing the nipple is really just, if you see the shape of the nipple, don't freak out. If you see a woman and her breasts are out because she's feeding a baby, don't judge them. If you see a woman who's walking, or if she's in a bikini and like she gets a nip slip, don't make such a big deal out of it. If you are gonna do this challenge, make sure that, it's always what I say, just make sure that you're safe. That's it. But I also think that men should also change their narrative. It's really iffy, guys, because sometimes you're like, oh, I don't need to care about what like the way I dress also should not affect how you think. But also sometimes you just can't change people's f***ed up mindsets. So it's messy. So okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope that you catch next Wednesday's episode, that you love it. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hope that you like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever this video. Bye, love you. Mwah.